Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a pack opening. But before I start out, I have a quick shout out to do. I want to give a shout out to my brother, Magicalgoal 371. Shut the fuck up. No, fuck off. Right, shout out to him. Go subscribe to him. Okay, special plus team of the season. The game is just absolutely shit. That's gotta be a walkout. It is. We get Sergio Aguero, which is good. Inform walkout, please. Spanish centre back. Oh my god, no! It's inform Salah. Get in. That's good. I'll take that. Not a bad card. It's a good card. I'll take it. I'm gonna open the. Yes! Come on! Spanish! Spanish. Come on. Come on. Please give me walkouts. Please. Do not be Croatia. Cracking blue. Oh, what? How am I supposed to get walkouts in them packs? Come on, I gotta walk out. Please be someone like Modric. It's Chiellini. Oh no. Buffon. That's good. I'll take Buffon. Cracking blue. Blue, got team of the season. Shackle. Subasic. What's that card? UCL Path to Glory. And we get Hamsick. Not bad. That's not bad. I'll take that. And it's a duplicate too. And in from Huntelaar. So I just got one. Vertonghen. Samson. Come on. Koulibaly. Not that bad actually. Come on, 2 more. What? Got Alex Telles. Strootman. Inform. Inform again. Dembele. 84 on Dembele, that's not too bad. Another walkout. Come on. Please, please. It's Argentina. AC Milan. I didn't see that. Inform. Yes! Inform walkout. Come on. I'll take Messi. It's Belgium.
No, but it's not Hazard, is it?
Please, 95, 95. It's 95!
No!
Fucking get in!
Show the camera.
No, this is real. Right, I'm going to show on my brother's camera. If I can get the angle.
No!
No. Right, I'm going to tap it as well, guys. This is not the, this is mine. I'm going to tap it on his camera. And I'm recording this as well. It's real.
Look.
And I got out. Oh my god. Jeez. Inform Hazard. Cracking blue. Oh my god. What a fucking pack that is. That's an all-star pack. Oh, and that's to finish off, got Raheem Sterling All-Star. Inform. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's just my battery's shit. I got another team of the season. Cooper. That's 2. Well, back to back. Oh, you got the new Paris. And now to finish off the video, we're going to open 20 Team of the Season packs. Oh, first one is a walkout. French. Griezmann. He's a cracking player. Back-to-back walkouts. German. Neuer. Oh, it's fucking pummels. I mean, I can't go wrong with that. It's a good player. Which would not happen.
It probably won't. I've already got 2 shitty informs.
Come on. Royce. Come on, walk out. Brazil. Please. Got Thiago Silva. No, I'm not showing shit. He's still shit anyway. Joe Lolly's probably better than him. Got another back-to-back walkout. We get to Stegen. It's not too bad. Running form. Charleston. Walk out. UCL Path to Glory. Brazil. Juventus. Left mid Douglas Costa. That's actually 989. Oh my god. Look at the card. 98 pace with 94 dribbling. Right. Back-to-back walkouts. Italy. Juventus. It's going to be Chiellini. 89 Chiellini. It's the old version of Chiellini. We got Samuel Umtiti. Martial. Yes, another blue. Dutch. Ajax. No way, is that Delict? My God. No. Oh my God, 95 Delict. God say that's a good card.
Oh my god.
Back-to-back blues, but it's the Champions League this time.
6 packs left.
Oh, it's so much to watch. Malcolm. There we go, walk out. Argentina. Oh, my baller. Alright, and then we're going to open the silver special, but we're not going to open the bronze players. Okay, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're new around here. I'll see you guys next time on a brand new video. And also share this to your friends to make them subscribe as well. I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video. So, shalom. Boom.